The old frames are in a skip and traditionally would head to landfill, but not anymore. Here at PVC, new technologies arrived as part of nearly £1 million worth of investment to supply high-quality, recycled raw materials and products for industrial, commercial and private customers. Millions of PVC frames are ripped out of our houses every year. Nationally, our depots process 400 tonnes a month, 200 tonnes in Manchester alone. They have the ability to recycle waste and return as a product in just 7 days. It means avoiding landfill and helping the environment. A cost-effective way of going green, with a full audit trail available to track your waste being transformed. So, how do they do that? How do you turn landfill waste into products? Well, first, all PVC products have to be broken up. Windows are made from top-grade PVC and have to be separated from other plastics like door panels and gutters. This will be recycled at a later stage as a lower-grade PVC regrind. Another big part of fragmenting is removing up to 95% of steel. Then it's a question of sorting the different kinds of contamination, recovering the different types of metal like aluminium, zinc and stainless steel. A heavy wash makes sure the plastic is clean and there's no leftover traces from any waste stations. Workers carry out a final inspection. There's nothing better than the human eye when it comes to care and attention. A metal detector check is the final stage of turning the plastic waste into a PVC-rich raw material. In a different part of the plant, that raw material is now refined. It moves onwards and upwards as part of a vital granulation process. It turns it from a PVC chip into a uniformed regrind, but you can still spot particles of different colours. This is contamination that has to be removed. Colour sorting involves a state-of-the-art camera used in the defence industry. It recognises colour difference, even a blemish. It works in a split second and can process 3 tonnes an hour. The remaining jazz regrind is used to make products like ease protectors. Again, as part of the care and attention standards, it's usual to process the regrind a second time. A comprehensive and systematic check for contamination. Detailed laboratory tests confirm the quality of the raw material. Depending on a customer's order, the regrind can be used directly or pulverized or even melt filtrated to produce a pellet that's just as good as a prime PVC. But because it's so versatile, the material retains its high specification. In fact, the quality of post-consumer PVC is said by some to be equal to prime PVC. Such an intensive program of testing is seen as fundamental to maintaining the standard of this relatively new feedstock. The extrusion process shows what can be achieved. A vast array of tools is available to make whatever a customer wants. The PVC grades and colours can be mixed to any specification. Post-consumer PVC can be skinned with virgin PVC or foiled to give a wood grain effect. It's a major step forward in cutting costs and reducing our carbon footprint, being 94% less than compared to making prime PVC. And don't forget, it's a product that can be recycled up to 7 times. That's a 120-year lifespan. Government pressure and public awareness are both increasing. How would you feel if someone brought their old gutter and buried it in your garden? The bottom line is that manufacturers have an environmental duty. As landfill taxes jump and the laws tighten, the message seems clear. If you can't recycle it, don't make it. So the process comes full circle. There's no need to landfill. That's a promise that's signed, sealed and delivered.
That's the news. It's 10 o'clock. You're listening to Key 103. Now, no one's saying Manchester's the Garden of Eden, but it's been good to us and the kids. Now imagine a Manchester without great big holes in the ground that we keep hiding our waste in. It does my head in. Landfill, out of sight, out of mind. So when I tell you that ShredTech recyclers want to take all your old plastic windows and doors and pay you for them, I'm not messing about. They'll do the skip hire, pick it all up, the lot. It's a no-brainer. Think of what you could do with all that extra money. I know you're not thinking further than the pub, but use your imagination. Don't put your old plastic windows and doors in the ground, put them in your pocket. Make landfill history.